Now let's start the first part of AI, that is known as Animify. So for this, we have opened Canva. In this Canva, just click here on this apps version. When you click on this app, you will get one app that is known as AI part. You just click on this AI part, and after this, I want to create Animify. We have different type of anime. First of all, I'm telling you Animify, in which you will convert your picture in a cartoon picture just like a sketching. So it will convert it something like this. Just click on this use in a design. After that, click here your projects. If you want, then you can add it in your projects. If you don't want, I just take this one. You can choose a different one also. This is your choice. If you want to choose a different one, then in place of this, just click on here and click on use in a new design if you want to make a fresh one. Now I'm choosing Instagram post. I hope you are looking here, and I will give you time. After that, you will do. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, after this, it will take at least 30 to 40 seconds for opening it. Till then, no need to click anywhere. Just take a time. And now you can see Animify has opened. Now it will say choose file. So first of all, we will click on choose file, and you can choose any image, which one you like. Suppose I want to take this cat image. And it will take at least 1 minute, and within 1 minute, it will convert this cat in a cartoon image that is known as Animify. After this Animify, you can give the motion also to the cat. First of all, just wait for 1 minute, let it be ready. When it will be ready, then you can see it will look superb, comparatively before and after. This is the after one, Animify. If you want, you can take before also. How you will take before? Wherever you have downloaded the image, just come there. As I have downloaded the image in desktop, so I'm clicking here on desktop. In desktop, I will get the image in the image folder. Simply, you will do copy and paste as I am doing here. Right click, we will click here on the copy like Control C. Then just come here on Canva and Control V. Then you can see this is the picture. It is before and it is after. It is looking properly real image, and it's looking good also. Now after this, I just want to give the effects on it. So just click on this background. Click here. I just want to create a good background. So for this, come here on apps, because this is the part of AI. So I just want to make it with AI only. I don't want to create my own background. I don't want to take it from Google. So I will type here AI Gen. So we will just type here image, AI image generator. With the help of AI image generator, you can generate the image as per your choice. So I'm clicking here on AI image generator, the first option. Click on the open one. And whatever the background you want, you just choose this. Rainforest of Mars. I'm just taking this one. This is the prompt. Whatever prompt you want, you can type here and will give you that type of background. Hello. You can type anything like grass background, feather background, a cat with a lots of things. Now you can see as I have typed, it has come here. Now I want to set it as a background. So do the right click on it and click on set image as background, then it will set it here. Okay. Now, if you want to
Okay,
make a
ma'am.
blur, so you can make it blur also with the help of transparency option. You can make it blur. If you want to make it more dark, then you can do. Along with this, because this is before and after, I just want to type, click on text, type here, add a heading, and before, I just want to keep it here. And same I want at the downside. So click on this plus option. It will be duplicate, and now you can keep it here. And now you can just type here after. Along with this, I just want to give the good effect. So I will click here on element option. And in this element option, we will just take here animation. Let me take the animation and choose any. Suppose come to graphics. And I'm going to take this one. Now you can see it's ready. This is Animify, and this is the image generator, and this is before and after. I hope the first project is clear for you. Now just start the first one. Okay. Okay, fine. So now the second one is this. We will just click here on apps and click on again AI image generator. Then click here on generate portraits. In generate portraits, you will convert your picture in a portrait one. So we will come here on choose file, and wherever you have your picture, you can choose that one. As right now, I'm going to take this picture, a simple picture of the boy. It will convert generate portrait art. So it is saying generate portrait art, so it will convert it in a multiple colors, just like a hook. So with the help of this, you can create this also. So it will take at least 30 to 40 seconds while you will creating it. Have generated the image. As you can see, the before one and the after one. It will look something like this. So now let's come to the next one. Next one is the generate QR code. Generate QR code as you want that if you want to set your mobile number QR code, your Facebook QR code, Instagram QR code, website QR code, whatever you want, you can generate that one. Suppose you want to choose here your mobile number. So I just type here my mobile number and I want to create the QR code. Here you can see the design. Which design you want, you can choose that one. As I'm taking this red or I'm taking this green. This is the margin, that how much margin you want, how much big and small. Background is white if you want, and you can make the background blur and transparent. Color, you can choose the color also. Then the background will be changed. So I'm going to take here the light color that is looking nice. It is not compulsory to choose all these things. Pattern, these are the patterns, that which pattern you want, oval shape, leaf shape, square shape, heart shape. Fill, pattern will be fill. Corners, logo. If you want to set the logo also, then you can choose a logo. Then your logo will also come on your QR code. For example, I'm taking one logo. Like, where's my logo? Okay, for example, I'm taking this one. Then logo will also be come here. As you can see, it's come here in the between. So it can be initialized that this is your company logo, this is your company QR code. And after that, just click here, add to design. When we click on add to design, then your QR code will come here. Like this, you can generate your QR code, and if anybody will scan it, then he will get your contact number. In place of this, if you want, and you can type your website name, means website URL. So if you will log in it, then the website will open. Right now, suppose I'm going to type here beauty website, because the logo is regarding the beauty, so I just taking this Nykaa. So if anybody will click there, Control C, and in place of this, I'm just typing Control V. Everything is same. Add to design, and then it will come. Let me delete the old one, and this is the new one. So if anybody will scan it, then Nykaa website will open. Like this, you can create your QR code quickly with the help of AI. Now, after this, now I just want to add here music. Again, come to apps. And here you can see AI music. AI music will give you options that which type of your mood and which type of music you want. I want pop. And how much long you want. It is showing 30 seconds, 40 seconds, 50 seconds. Suppose I'm taking 40 seconds. And compose. It will take few seconds and the music will come here on the whole pages because it is for 50 seconds. Let it become first. Now, when I will play it, this is the first one with music, and then the second one with music, and this is the third one with music. Okay, like this, you can create. I hope this option is clear. Let's start.